What's up guys, what's up, this is your boy Mr. Hacker. Today I'm gonna show you how to hack Subway Surfers with Lucky Patcher. And sorry for the background, I never knew I was making video today. I thought I had school but nevertheless I'm showing you Subway servers. As you can see, I only have 4 keys. Let me show you guys so that you don't think. You see, as you can see, you see it's asking for money, yeah, and even the keys, as you can see, it's asking for money. I have no money in my account, so I wanna finish all those keys to prove you guys that, well, what I'm gonna do is not to lie to you guys. Yeah, okay, let's do this. We use first key, then we go to this, yes, and then we use, now we have only one. Let's go in. Yeah, they're asking for 4, we don't have, so let's wait. We play another game. Yeah, you see, then we play. As you can see, we finished all our keys. We have 0 keys. And some few money for like 1900, yeah, and 72 coins. So I want to show you guys how to hack this shit with, Lucky Patcher. It's new. I just uploaded, but then you cannot you cannot download Lucky Patcher from, you cannot download Lucky Patcher from the App Store, so you have to download it from your other ways. You have to use other means to download it. So we go here, then we say no this, then we go to the third. You see the first 2 are marked, so we say apply. So this will take some few minutes. I'm not sure how long. Oh fuck. So this will take few minutes, and I don't know how long it will take, but I'm sure this will take like 5 to 10 minutes, or sometimes it takes even less than that. Yeah, so that's it. But hey guys, I'm so proud that the last video that I uploaded last Saturday got 60 views. I'm so glad, I'm so happy. So why don't you guys also make history today and make this video reach, like, let's say 100 with 10 likes, because the other one had, like, you know, it had I'm not sure, like 10, like, no, let's say 5, I'm not sure. So guys, I'm so happy with you guys. If you see the first 2, when you see the first 2 as success, that means the needs apply. So we say launch, we go to Subway servers. I'm not sure if this will work, so hopefully it will work for us. So that's it. So as I was saying, guys, I want you guys to make history for me today. Where is it? I don't know where to go now. Let me do this. No. So yeah, I wanna, yes, as you can see now, everything has changed, you know, and when we connect, we'll get this thing. As you can see, our Nini is successful. Yeah, as you can see, we got more than that. then you see the coin side is 0, the key side is 0, so we click there, we click there, then we go anywhere, then we say yes, and boom, we get. So yeah, sorry, I did something wrong. The fuck. Boom, you see here we got 40, then we do another one, boom, we got another. Yeah, so that's our nini is successful. Sorry for the noise going outside there. The 110 keys there we have, so let's try this one. 110 key. I'll say yes. You see we got 190, so my hand's shaking, sorry for that. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you want me to make this kind of videos, so guys, give it like, share, and let me see like 10 comments down there. So that is it for today. Thank you guys.